and welcome back after what I hope was a decent weekend. And we find ourselves at the beginning of what is going to be an extremely busy week, I can assure you, as we prepare for more of you to return to school this Wednesday. We are looking forward to welcoming boys in years 2 and 5 back to school, and your parents should know all about the arrangements for that. So you'll be coming back to school, and we are very much looking forward to seeing you. And then of course the following week, next Monday, we are then looking forward to welcoming back boys in years 3 and 4, and I can assure you that a huge amount of preparation for your return has been underway now for a number of days and weeks as we prepare to get things absolutely spot on and get our Westhouse family back together again. But it is going to be slightly different, and I sincerely hope you are excited about returning to school. But the environment is a little different, and the expectations of you are a little bit different. You'll be operating in what are called bubbles of probably 12 or 13 children in specific areas of the school. You'll be playing in specific areas of the school, and you won't quite have the freedom that you used to have in terms of charging around and mixing together and playing football and cricket and all that stuff. So part of my job is to prepare you for what this is going to be like. It is going to be great to see your friends again. It is going to be great to see your teachers again. But it is going to be a little different. And while we are in one respect focusing upon the here and now and welcoming the children back to school, we have of course also got one eye on the future and next term. So a message to you parents, fear not. We will be putting those preparations in place. We'll be making arrangements for appointments with matron and uniform so that we can prepare and look ahead to September. At this time of year, I would normally be sitting down with parents of boys in preschool who are about to transfer to reception. Fear not, parents. There will be an opportunity up and coming for us to meet, possibly remotely, and discuss the transition from preschool to reception so that everything is absolutely in place and we are ready to go for September. So on the one hand, we are very much in the here and now and looking forward to the end of the summer term, albeit a slightly different end to the summer term, but we are also now turning our attention to the future and the excitement that will come with us moving up a year group in September. So there is plenty on the agenda. I will keep going with our remote assemblies for the duration of this term, which will be of course shown around the site, and for those of you who have the inclination to do so, you can of course tune into the links on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays between now and the end of term.